And the big political news is how the Samajwadi Party Neta, where the income tax raids are being conducted at different locations. We now get you basically what this business empire of Samajwadi Party's Neta Pushparaj Jain is. Remember, he's also the one, as you can see on your screen, the one that manufactured and dealt with the perfume of Samajwadi Party just a few months ago. The business dealings of Pushparaj Jain is being linked to 18 companies. Pushparaj officially is the director of Pragati Aroma Private Limited. He's the director in 13 companies, partner in 5. So 18 companies with regard to Pushparaj Jain. Munish Pandey tracking all the latest on that. So Munish, earlier this was the individual who Samajwadi Party said is connected to them, not Piyush Jain, who was earlier raided. But he himself appears to be a businessman dealing with massive amount of money. But how is it then that the IT is raiding on him?
Yeah, well, Pooja, as far as the income tax department officials are concerned, they are saying that there are searches at almost 50 premises across country, especially in Uttar Pradesh, NCR and Mumbai, linked to people who are in business of perfume. Now, as far as Pushparaj Jain is concerned, since December 2022, when Piyush Jain was raided, then only the Samajwadi Party had alleged that BJP has raided a wrong person. The perfume businessman, Pushparaj Jain, was supposed to be raided. It was a comedy of error, according to Samajwadi Party. Now, as far as the IT officials are concerned, they are saying that primarily it is a case of tax evasion, and that is why Pushparaj Jain's premises in Kannauj and in Mumbai, they are being searched by the IT officials. Now, we have got some details about the Samajwadi Party legislature. According to the details which we have accessed from our IT sources, Pushparaj Jain is connected to almost 18 companies. In 13 companies, he has been directors or he is directors, and in 5 companies, he has been at a position of partner or, individual partner. Now, as far as the business dealings are concerned, IT officials are going through the financial records. We have also come across, the IT officials have come across 10 bank accounts which are linked to Pushparaj Jain and his family members. Now, they are trying to find out if there is any financial
So clearly, Manish, what you're telling us that, of course, he's a massive businessman as it appears from his companies, and he's owner of some, business of some. But for the income tax raids right now taking place, the officials are telling my colleague Munish Pandey that they have some very valid leads which is leading to these raids. But of course, Samajwadi Party expectedly calling this a political vendetta. Thank you so much for now, Munish Pandey. Munish will be tracking all the latest on this big developing news. But this is clearly a perfume fragrance that is peaking, and it is perfume politics in the state of Uttar Pradesh. These IT raids now at yet another perfume company trader. Piyush Jain was, remember, earlier where the raids were taking place. Now Pushparaj Jain's home in Kannauj are being raided by the officials. According to sources, the primary allegation against this Pushparaj Jain is tax evasion. He's popularly known as Pumpy. Pushparaj Jain is an MLC of the Samajwadi Party. The income tax department is also conducting raids at around 50 locations across the state, even in Mumbai. Samajwadi Party is now alleging that it is a political vendetta, claiming BJP is misusing central agencies. Pushparaj Jain's perfume company is said to have been the one that launched Samajwadi's perfumes, and that himself were unveiled by Akhilesh Yadav. The raids, remember, are very interesting. They are an extension of 2 curious cases of Jains, a Piyush Jain and a Pushparaj Jain. Both are perfume owners and traders and manufacturers who have been at the center of this raid. Now, Akhilesh Yadav has said earlier the wrong Jain was raided by the authorities, and that one, according to Akhilesh Yadav, even had links with the BJP. That after, remember, 250 crore rupees of trunks and cash was found with gold bars at his residence. And that, after Piyush Jain, has led to raids at Pushparaj Jain's residence. All right, so very interesting. A lot of twists and turns in this raid, and Samarth Srivastava is on the ground. Samarth, because you were tracking Piyush Jain's IT raids earlier, now Pushparaj Jain. So Pushparaj Jain is confirmed. He is with the Samajwadi Party. He is being raided. How is the Samajwadi Party reacting to this? What are because officials are saying they have proper leads. Akhilesh Yadav is saying what?
See, these narrow lanes of Kannauj seems to have a lot of secrets behind. Earlier
Yes.
It was about Piyush Jain and now it is about Samajwadi Party MLC Pumpy Jain. The place where I'm reporting from is the residence of Pumpy Jain, and you can see the security officials are stationed outside while the teams of Income Tax Department are inside raiding the entire premises, raiding the entire residence of Samajwadi Party MLC. But what is important, it all has become a political gimmick for other parties. Prime Minister of India, Home Minister, UP CM are claiming this is the money of Samajwadi Party, while Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav is claiming is of BJP. But today's raid is evident because it has come to the place, to the perfume industrialist Pumpy Jain. He is the same person who raided he's the same person who launched the entire perfume in the party office on November 9. So it was important that he was also on the radar of Income Tax Department. Though when raid took place in the Piyush Jain residence, he went away to Australia for 4 days, and when India Today spoke to him, he said that his mother was ill. That is why he went to Australia. And after 4 days, he reached back to this particular place where I'm reporting from. Okay. And then when we spoke to him, he said he had no links with him. But
where is he now today? I see the house really where the Uttar Pradesh police personnel are deployed. We can see the gates are shut. Likely the raids are also on. And there's a board also that we can see. But where is he? Where is Pushparaj Jain today, Samarth? See, Pushparaj Jain is inside this residence of him where he is also inside. So it is mentioning that at a time when Akhilesh Yadav is just 1 hour away from Kannauj and is coming here for the press conference, Pumpy Jain is inside the house where raids are on. It is worth mentioning here that Pumpy Jain was about to sit along with Akhilesh Yadav in the press conference, and while speaking at length, Pumpy Jain confirmed this to India Today TV that he is going to sit along with Akhilesh Yadav in the press conference. But now it is rare possibility that he will be able to Very
join
interesting
the
what you're telling us, Samarth. There was going to be a joint press conference likely of Pushparaj Jain, whose house is now being raided by the Income Tax Department, and Samajwadi Party Chief Akhilesh Yadav. And the raid has now taken place, so it's not clear if Pumpy, so to say, will now join Akhilesh Yadav. But we'll wait for that visual. Samarth, thank you so much. He's getting us a ground update right from outside the house. But earlier, just a short while ago, my colleague Rahul Srivastava, our National Affairs Editor, had spoken exclusively to Samajwadi Party Neta Pushparaj Jain, whose house is now being raided by the IT department. Listen into what Pushparaj Jain had to say.
मुश्किलात के वक्त में आप कह रहे हैं कि पहले नोटबंदी, जीएसटी, पैंडेमिक और इस सब के बीच में नए माहौल में ये रेड्स हो रही हैं, ये क्या वातावरण आपको लग रहा है कि एक ऐसा वातावरण हो जाए जो कि बिजनेस के लिए मुश्किल हो रहा है?
हमारे हिसाब से सरकारों को एक बिजनेस करने का माहौल देना चाहिए। लोगों को मजा आए, बिजनेस करने का माहौल ठीक नहीं है। ये सरकारों की जिम्मेदारी होती कि व्यापारियों के बीच में ऐसा माहौल पैदा करें, लोग उत्साह के साथ व्यापार करें, मेहनत करें। जब वो व्यापारी आगे बढ़ेगा तो निश्चित है प्रदेश आगे बढ़ेगा, प्रदेश आगे बढ़ेगा, देश आगे बढ़ेगा। हमारा देश बहुत महान है, थोड़ा सा ध्यान इस पे दे दें, व्यापारियों को सहूलियतें कुछ मिल जाए, टैक्सेशन में सहूलियत मिल जाए, उनके रॉ मटेरियल में सहूलियत मिल जाए, सरकार का थोड़ा आशीर्वाद इस वर्ग में हो जाए, तो हम समझते हैं कि मुश्किल नहीं काम आगे बढ़ना है।
आपने जिक्र ये भी किया था कि जिस तरह का टैक्सेशन ज्यादा है वो इसकी डिमांड कम कर रहा है।
वो भी डिमांड कम कर रहा। दूसरी बात, जैसे हम उदाहरण के तौर पर कन्नौज है, कन्नौज में हर वर्ग के लोग हैं। अगर सरकार टेक्निकल लोगों को या टेक्नोलॉजी कन्नौज में मुहैया करा दे या कुछ ऐसा ट्रेनिंग प्रोग्राम बना दे जिससे कि यहाँ के लोग जो यूएस और यूरोप में जो टेक्नोलॉजी वो अगर अडॉप्ट कर लें तो हम समझते हैं कि बिजनेस बहुत आगे चला जाएगा।
Just a few days ago, the perfume manufacturer and trader Piyush Jain's house and offices were raided by the Income Tax Department. That yielded, remember, crores of rupees. There was this visual of trunks, of gold bars, of money right there, and that took days to be counted. That has now become a latest flashpoint in election-bound UP. All this while the investigation is gaining pace. So now, if you're wondering who are these two P. Jains, Pushparaj Jain and Piyush Jain, because both Samajwadi Party and BJP are naming them. Here's a report by Samarth.
Piyush Jain, the man from whose house a massive haul of cash, gold and silver was recovered.
1:30 बजे रात को खत्म हुआ है सीजर का काम, दिन में रेड का काम, और अभी भी अनसुलझी पहेली है.
Piyush Jain is now at the heart of a political war in Uttar Pradesh.
2017 से पहले भ्रष्टाचार का जो इत्र उन्होंने पूरे यूपी में छिड़क रखा था, वो फिर सबके सामने आ गया है.
मुझे लगता है कि भारतीय जनता पार्टी समाजवादियों पे छापा मारने के चक्कर में उनके कंप्यूटर ने जो नाम दिखाया वो दूसरा नाम दिखा दिया. गलती से वहां पहुंच गए जहां पर बीजेपी का खुद का पैसा रखा हुआ था. जिसने समाजवादी इत्र बनाया था उसका नाम पुष्पराज जैन है, और जिसके यहाँ छापा पड़ा है वो पीयूष जैन है.
The riveting story of two Jains with the same initial P has become a talking point in UP. Piyush Jain, the owner of the House of Cash, by now has become a household name. The other Jain, Pushparaj, popularly known as Pampi, is an MLC of the SP, who is also a perfume manufacturer.
जैन उनके नाम के आगे लगा, जैन हमारे नाम के आगे लगा, तो भारतीय जनता पार्टी के लोगों ने ये मनगढ़ंत बात को आगे बढ़ा दिया. पीयूष जैन का ना समाजवादी पार्टी से लेना देना है, ना पंपी जैन से लेना देना. हमने समाजवादी परफ्यूम लॉन्च की और इसके पहले भी 2 बार कर चुका हूँ, आज पहली बार नहीं की है.
Unlike Pampi Jain, Piyush, the subject of the income tax raids, maintains a low profile. His neighbors say he is often seen riding a scooter.
वो यहीं बैठते थे धूप में, अपनी कुर्सी डाल के यहीं पे बैठते, तब देखा थी.
उनका आना जाना तो अक्सर ही मतलब रहता था. मंदिर आते जाते थे, लमसम दोपहर के समथिंग में आते जाते थे, लेकिन इतना जो है साथ में कभी बातचीत नहीं हुई हमारी.
The investigating agencies maintain they are working on the inputs they collected over the last 2 months. They say that Jain used to send raw material of perfume to Dubai in exchange for gold bars.
जो भी रिकवरी थी वो हमने कर ली है और गोल्ड हमने DRI को दे दिया है. बाकी की जो भी रिकवरी है उसको हमने हैंडओवर कर दिया है.
Piyush Jain's family has rejected all the charges.
मैं यही कहूँगा इस चीज़ में, I believe in Indian justice and law. अगर हम innocent हैं या जो भी हैं, तो फिर let's say that आप ये नहीं, I don't want to speak anything on camera. Okay.
The curious case of P. Jain has added spice to the fierce political battle for Uttar Pradesh. Now both BJP and SP are trying hard to ensure the stink raised by the perfume traders, unaccounted crores, sticks to the other. With Samarth Srivastav, Bureau Report, India Today.